Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied neutralization reactions where acid and base react to form salt and water. So, today our next topic is salts. My dear student, this is one of the most important and interesting topic because salts are present everywhere in industries and medicine and agriculture and even in our bodies inside. So let's begin. Definitions of salts. My dear student, a salt is a chemical compound formed when the hydrogen ions of an acid is replaced by a metal ions or ammonium ions, mean NH4 positive. Most salts are formed during neutralization reactions between acids and bases. General reaction for formation of salts is reaction acid plus base give salt plus water. Ionic form H plus OH negative give H2O. The remaining ions combines to form salt. Examples of salts: sodium chloride reaction HCl plus NOH give NaCl plus H2O. Potassium nitrate reaction HNO3 plus KOH give KNO3 plus H2O. Magnesium sulfate reaction HTSO4 plus MgN2OH whole taken to give MgSO4 plus 2H2O. Composition of salts. Dear student, salts consist of positive ion mean cation, example sodium positive, potassium positive, calcium 12 positive, NH4 positive. Negative ion mean anion, example Cl negative, NO3 negative, SO4 2 negative as CO3 2 negative. So salt is simply metal in ammonium ion plus acid radical. Example Na positive plus Cl negative give NaCl. Properties of salts. Most salts are solid. Solid have high melting and boiling points. Salts are soluble in water, mean not all. Most salts conduct electricity in melting or solution form. Also, most salts give taste salty, bitter, sour depending on type. Now, why are salts important? Why are salts important? Because they maintain body function, improve soil fertility, help in cooking and preservation, are used in industries, are used in medicine. Without salts, life and industry would not be possible. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on salts. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.